Hi, what's up, Dent coin holder? So what's going on, my friends? Dent coin will get a profit 1%, my friend. The price is increased because the volume is increased, my friend, and absolutely when the volume is increased, so the price is also increasing, and that's all depend on holder, my friends. So if a holder are starting investing, if a holder are starting holding, so the coin will, my friends, completely comfortable. But if a holder are starting selling, so the coin will completely falls down. They cannot, my friends, control on thumbnail everything, my friends. They will falls down and they will completely go in the garbage. So therefore I will recommend you, my all viewers, my subscriber, to please hold it now. I hope, my friend, the price will be increasing in upcoming days, because my friend, experts says to upcoming time. I think this is the main reason, my friends, the price will pump up, because my brother, everybody know this two holder are starting selling, but sometimes they cannot get a profit. So therefore I will recommend all of you to please do this, my friend, what I tell you. Otherwise you will never get a profit and you will lose now, my friend. When the price will pumps up, so definitely every coin will very badly falls down, because especially when a one coin will pumps up, so definitely some coins will very badly falls down and they will never get a profit. So therefore I will recommend you. I will just only, my friends, share my opinion for all of you to please hold it now. I hope they will give you a very good profit. So Dent coin holder, hope you will better understand. Please try to understand to do this what I tell you. I hope they will make you millionaire now. So see you next time, Dent coin holder. Please like video and also subscribe to this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.